What's up, crypto family? Welcome to Naked Crypto. And today, here's our Bitcoin dominance. As we mentioned last video, that we're expecting to drop, and now it's dropping, guys. So if Bitcoin dominance drop, it means altcoin season, guys. Today, I do have 7 altcoins that are about to explode. So stick around. My first pick is enjincoin. We do have this triangle here, and we do have the ABC correction, and we have now wave 1, wave 2. We are now looking for 3 more waves to the upside, and our initial target would be $4. So that is 2x, guys. $2 target is $4. That's 2x, guys. Algorand, we do have bullish flag here, and it did break on the flag formation, but right now it developed a cup, probably a kopen handle. So on the 4-hour chart, we do have this cup here, probably handle will form and go up. Our initial target would be the all-time high, which is $3.75. So we're looking for almost 2x, guys. And telcoin, we are on this triangle here, and we're looking for A, B, C, D, E. We might still see the price go down somewhere at 6 cents to finish this E wave, and we go to the moon. So our initial target would be the all-time high, which is 6 cents. So enter now, that's 2 cents, 6 cents, that's 3x, guys. That's 3x. This is just initial target, guys. And chiliz, we do have this triangle here. Probably this one is A, B, C, D, E. And for our chart, we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do have the ABC correction. And now we are already on the wave 1, wave 2, and we are expecting wave 3, 3 more waves to the upside. I'm expecting first initial target would be this resistance here, and we go for a pullback and break to the upside. But our ultimate target would be, let's say, $1.95, or let's say $1, guys. And theta, something to keep an eye, guys. We are on this beautiful triangle here, and we do have this A, B, C, D, E. Probably we will still see a price go down here at $5 before we take off. So $5, $16, that's 3x, guys. Loom network, somebody just comment down below, and so I think I'll just check it out, guys. And this is what I see. The all-time high was 79 cents, and we are now currently at 11 cents. And on the daily chart, it's on the triangles. I see A, B, C, D, E. So let's see, guys, if this one will play it out. Filcoin, on the daily chart, we do have this triangle here. So on the 4-hour chart, I see this ABC correction, and we do have now this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 more waves to the upside. And initial target would be the 120, 119. Run on the weekly, it already broke on this bullish flag, but let's see if our target would be the all-time high, which is $22. On the 4-hour chart, we do have this ABC correction, and we have now this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's see if this one will play it out. So guys, everything will depend on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin drops, most altcoins will follow. But my price prediction on Bitcoin is good. If this one is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So our count was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do have the ABC correction. And we do have the wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So we are now looking for ABC correction, ABC. So let's see, guys. And after this, we're looking for another 5 waves to the upside. Most analysts are expecting the price of Bitcoin would be 100K, 200K. So let's see, guys, if this one will play it out. Crypto index, we projected the 5 waves to the upside, and I think this is the wave 4, and now we are looking 1 more wave to the upside. And the total market cap, as we projected, that this is a cap and handle, and we're expecting to go up, and it's keep on rising, similar to total market cap 2, excluding Bitcoin. And we are on this cap and handle, and we are expecting the price to go up. And total market 3, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, same cap and handle, and we are expecting the price to go up. So guys, this is all I got. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you find this video valuable, give me a thumbs up, share to your friends, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss my daily updates. And guys, I'm doing this out of love. So this is a God-given talent, and I'm sharing to the world for free. And if you can like and share it, it helps the algorithm so more people will watch it. Help me bless other people, guys. This is all I got. Trade safe. I love you. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.